Hello everyone. We're here in northeast of Atlanta in Zone 7. It's late September, a little bit cooler. They've been promising rain for a couple of days. I hardly remember what rain is like. So I wanted to give you a quick video and show you what we've got going on getting ready for the fall garden. This is some nice basil we have here. It will probably be staying inside. These are all Grain X onions getting ready to go out. I started these from seed. Here's some Thai basil. And here's the latest stuff that I've started. Here's some early wonder beets, snowball cauliflower, some Italian parsley, baby bok choy, salad bowl lettuce, early wonder beets, another thing of the snowball cauliflower. These are all really new and they're just getting started. So I got them out here to get a little of this diffused sunlight. Then we're going to come over and here's some more basil. And here's some beets ready to go in the ground. I've been pulling the beans out and getting the soil restarted so we can get the beets in and the onions in. My garlic order came in yesterday from the garlic store out in Colorado. Just some beautiful, beautiful garlic ready to plant. There's some rosemary that I've been rooting. So then we'll come over to the main stuff. Wow, of course the sun just came out super bright. Here's stuff been going for a while. Snowball cauliflower, crisp head lettuce, joy choy. This is our absolute favorite bok choy. Just fantastic. Some more crisp head. Then we decided to go with some Chinese cabbage back here. Then over here we've got, there's 9 arugula plants. Some more of the joy choy, bok choy. We should have about, I guess, a dozen of them in when we get done. Here's some Swiss chard. I'm not a fan of Swiss chard, but Chris likes it and the dog loves it raw in his food. More arugula. A whole lot more Chinese cabbage. Some more bok choy. And I thought I'd try and see how they'll do. These are some little, what are these? Tiny Tim tomatoes. Supposed to be a small tomato plant. Gives you small tomatoes. See how they do under lights. Got nice, sturdy, healthy looking plants at this point. So that's what I've got getting ready to go out in the garden. Now we can take a quick peek of what's still surviving in the garden. We still have this beautiful eggplant. When it got really hot, it kind of gave up the ghost and just sat there. But it's going strong again. It has just an outstandingly pretty flower, as you can see. This is the stevia. It's taken off really nicely again. I may try and save some seeds. Boy, you haven't paid a lot of money for seeds till you bought stevia seeds. A couple little tomatoes still struggling in here. This is the French bush bean, the little skinny green bean, the real skinny ones. It's a yellow variety, but boy, is it prolific. I think I'll get 1, maybe 2 more pickings out of it, and then we'll be pulling it out to make room for other things. Here's a truly late tomato. I started some slips, didn't know what kind they were. Obviously these are going to be little cherry tomatoes because there's a whole lot of stems, whole lot of little flowers all clustered together. And we come over to some peppers. The poblanos seem to be alright with the heat. They were the monster pepper for us last year at the end of the year, and the heat also just produced massive amounts. Still got a lot of banana peppers coming, and still plenty of the bell peppers. See, trying to get a little water to them when I can. Then one of the more amazing things is these absolutely horrible tomato plants. Absolutely horrible. But they're continuing to put out. So we'll still get a few more tomatoes out of them. Then we come back over. Yum yum peppers. More poblanos. Then lots and lots of the bell peppers. I hate this time of year. You start to lose them without the water. They just break from the weight of the peppers on them. As you can see, they're quite loaded down with peppers. These over here, poblanos. More peppers. So the peppers are hanging in. As soon as they get some water and it cools down, they just take off again. Here's another batch of really, really sad tomatoes. I've been fighting the blight with sprays, and the stuff on the top is good. I can just get it to cool down enough to set. Here's some peppers in the pot containers. If I can pull this one over so you can see it. Boy, anybody says you can't grow peppers in pots has not tried to grow anything like these. That one. Wow, I'm going to have to pick peppers this afternoon. Look at the size of that pepper. These are the sweet potatoes. It's amazing. I didn't think it ever got too hot for sweet potatoes. But between the heat and the drought, they've kind of opened up and let the bugs get in. So I got to get some water on them. They'll be able to fight the bugs off. So the garden is stuff dying, stuff ready for the next season, and then a few things are saying that's okay, we can handle the heat. Keep it going. Even the horseradish is tired. Even the horseradish is looking tired. So that's the garden update for here in late September. Some things are doing well. Most things are getting stripped out. And I'm doing a good job on getting things started to go in again. Just as soon as we get any hint of coolness, I can get the fall crops out. So in zone 7, the garden is not over. It won't be cold for months. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like it.